Hello, welcome to Learn English Method. My name is Richard.
And I am Jennifer. Hello, everyone.
Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. It is called Stop Freezing. Answer any English question easily.
Yes, this is episode 17. Many learners feel nervous when they try to speak English.
They hear a question and suddenly they do not know what to say.
Exactly. They freeze, and it is normal. Do not worry.
Today, we will show you how to answer any English question without fear.
We will use very simple English, short sentences, clear words.
And we will give many examples and practice exercises.
So, let's begin with the first step.
Step 1 is very simple. Listen carefully to the question.
Yes, always listen first. Do not start speaking too fast.
For example, if someone asks, "What is your name?"
You hear, "What is your name?"
Then you answer, "My name is Richard."
Or, "My name is Jennifer."
Repeat after me. My name is Richard.
My name is Richard.
My name is Jennifer.
Good. Step 2 is to think of a simple answer.
Do not try to speak too much. Short answers are better.
For example, someone asks, "Where are you from?"
You can answer, "I am from Canada."
Or, "I am from the USA."
Repeat after me. I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
I am from the USA.
Step 3 is to speak slowly.
Speaking slowly gives you time to think.
And the listener can understand you better.
For example, someone asks, "Do you like coffee?"
You can answer, "Yes, I like coffee."
Or, "No, I do not like coffee."
Repeat, "Yes, I like coffee."
Yes, I like coffee. No, I do not like coffee.
Step 4 is to use simple words.
Do not use difficult words. Easy words are better.
For example, instead of saying, "I am very fond of coffee,"
Just say, "I like coffee." Short words are easier to remember and say.
Step 5 is to pause if you do not know the answer.
Yes, it is okay to pause, think, then speak.
For example, someone asks, "What is your favorite food?"
You can think for a few seconds, then say, "I like pizza."
Or, "I like rice."
Repeat after me. I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I like rice.
Another tip is to repeat part of the question in your answer.
This makes it easier to answer.
For example, question, "Do you play football?"
Answer, "Yes, I play football."
Or, "No, I do not play football."
Repeat, "Yes, I play football."
Yes, I play football.
No, I do not play football.
Another example, question, "Can you speak English?"
Answer, "Yes, I can speak English."
Or, "No, I cannot speak English."
Repeat, "Yes, I can speak English."
Yes, I can speak English.
No, I cannot speak English.
Step 6 is to use short practice sentences.
Short sentences are easier to say, easy to remember.
For example, "I like tea."
I like coffee.
"I am happy."
I am tired.
Repeat, "I like tea." "I like coffee." "I am happy." "I am tired."
I like tea. I like coffee. I am happy. I am tired.
Step 7 is pronunciation. Speak clearly.
Yes, pronounce each word slowly.
For example, water. Say wa-ter.
Water.
Coffee. Say ca-fee.
Coffee.
Repeat, water, coffee.
water, coffee.
Good. Pronunciation makes your speech easier to understand.
Step 8 is mini conversations.
Yes, we will do short dialogues.
Conversation 1. Jennifer. Hello, Richard. How are you?
Richard. Hello, Jennifer. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Jennifer. I am fine, thank you.
Repeat. Hello, Richard. How are you?
Hello, Richard. How are you?
Hello, Jennifer. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Hello, Jennifer. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Conversation 2. Richard, what is your favorite color?
Jennifer. My favorite color is blue. What about you?
Richard, my favorite color is red. Repeat. What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
My favorite color is red.
My favorite color is red.
Conversation 3. Jennifer, do you like pizza?
Richard. Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Jennifer. Yes, I like pizza.
Repeat. Do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Yes, I like pizza.
Conversation 4. Richard, do you read books?
Jennifer. Yes, I read books. Do you read books?
Richard, yes, I read books too. Repeat. Do you read books?
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books too.
Yes, I read books. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books too.
Yes, I read books. Do you read books?
Conversation 5. Jennifer, what do you eat for breakfast?
Richard. I eat eggs. What about you?
Jennifer, I eat bread. Repeat. What do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs. What about you?
I eat eggs. What about you?
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
Conversation 6. Richard, do you like music?
Jennifer. Yes, I like music. Do you like music?
Richard, yes, I enjoy music too. Repeat. Do you like music?
Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy music too.
Yes, I like music. Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy music too.
Yes, I like music. Do you like music?
Yes, I enjoy music too.
Yes, I like music. Do you like music?
Conversation 7. Jennifer, where do you live?
Richard. I live in London. And you?
I live in Paris.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in London. And you?
I live in London. And you?
I live in Paris.
I live in Paris.
Conversation 8. Richard, what do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work in a shop.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a student. What about you?
I work in a shop.
I work in a shop. Conversation 9. Jennifer, do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats. Do you like animals?
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love cats. Conversation 10. Richard, can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
No, I cannot swim. Now let's practice pronunciation. Step 9.
Yes. Repeat each word slowly. Listen carefully. Water. Water.
Coffee. Coffee.
Bread. Bread.
Eggs. Eggs.
Music. Music.
Book. Book.
Student. Student.
Shop. Shop.
Cat. Cat.
Swim. Swim.
Excellent. Keep practicing these words.
Step 10 is to make your own short answers every day.
Think about questions you hear often.
For example, what do you eat in the morning?
Answer: I eat rice, or I eat eggs.
Another question, do you like tea?
Answer: Yes, I like tea, or No, I do not like tea.
Step 11 is to enjoy speaking. Smile when you talk.
Confidence grows when you feel happy.
Step 12 is to practice every day. Even 5 minutes is helpful.
Short daily practice is better than long practice once a week.
Now we will do a full listening and speaking exercise.
I will ask questions. Speak aloud.
Question 1. What is your name?
Your answer: My name is.
Question 2. Where are you from?
Your answer: I am from.
Question 3. Do you like coffee?
Your answer: Yes, I like coffee. Or No, I do not like coffee.
Question 4. Can you speak English?
Your answer: Yes, I can speak English. Or No, I cannot speak English.
Question 5. What is your favorite food?
I like pizza, or I like rice.
Question 6. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music, or no, I do not like music.
Question 7. What do you do?
I am a student, or I work in a shop.
Question 8. Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals, or no, I do not like animals.
Question 9. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim, or no, I cannot swim.
Question 10. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, or my favorite color is red.
Great! You are speaking English without freezing.
Let's do a long mini conversation now.
Richard. Hello, Jennifer. How are you today?
Jennifer. Hello, Richard. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Richard. I am good. Thank you. What did you eat today?
Jennifer. I ate bread and eggs. And you?
Richard. I ate rice and fish.
Jennifer. Do you like coffee?
Richard. Yes, I like coffee. Do you like coffee?
Jennifer. Yes, I like coffee very much.
Richard. What is your favorite color?
Jennifer. My favorite color is green. And yours?
Richard. I like red.
Jennifer. Do you play football?
Richard. Yes, I play football. Do you play football?
Jennifer. No, I do not play football.
Richard. Can you swim?
Jennifer. Yes, I can swim. Can you swim?
Richard. No, I cannot swim.
Jennifer, do you like animals?
Richard. Yes, I like animals. I love cats. And you?
Jennifer, I like dogs.
Richard. What do you do every day?
Jennifer, I go to school. And you?
Richard. I work in a shop.
Excellent. You can see how many questions you can answer.
Step 12 is to enjoy speaking. Speak with confidence.
Smile when you answer. Relax your mind.
Mistakes are normal. Do not worry.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Now let's review all steps quickly.
Step 1. Listen carefully.
Step 2. Think of a simple answer.
Step 3. Speak slowly.
Step 4. Use simple words.
Step 5. Pause if you do not know the answer.
Step 6. Use short practice sentences.
Step 7. Speak clearly and pronounce words well.
Step 8. Repeat mini conversations.
Step 9. Practice pronunciation.
Step 10. Practice every day.
Step 11. Make your own short answers.
Step 12. Enjoy speaking English.
If you follow these steps, you can answer any English question.
Yes, step by step. Short sentences, simple words, calm mind.
Thank you for listening to Learn English Method.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And follow us for the next episode.
Yes, the next episode will have more tips to speak English easily.
Keep practicing every day.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye. Stay confident.